comment to Messenger. Now, you probably read all the warnings we gave you. You need to know what you're getting into. That said, we've had a ton of success with this, so I highly suggest trying it. You might find that despite it not working all the time and for everybody, you're still getting amazingly low opt-ins, cost per opt-in. So, new growth tool in your ManyChat account, and we're going to pick Facebook comments. We're going to select a post. ManyChat makes this very easy. So your posts are in order of most recent. So we're going to pick it, and they're only going to show from your Facebook business page. Okay. The one thing that you have to make certain of is that you have to tell people, and I'm going to message you, or I am going to send you this in Messenger. So you have to tell them what to expect, that you will contact them via Messenger if they comment. Okay? So once you've done that, you've complied with Facebook's terms of service. And we can decide what to do right away when somebody leaves a comment. We can exclude keywords or trigger for only certain keywords. I suggest letting everybody trigger it. I do like to track first level comments only. That means that if somebody posts a comment and somebody else replies underneath, they may not be, or they won't trigger your comment tool. I don't think that's as expected, so I leave that off. So I put that on rather, because we only want first level comments to trigger. I tend to exclude a couple keywords like curse words. So if somebody's like, fuck you, probably don't want my stuff. So that's what I would do there. And we would leave it on for everything else. Okay. So you confirm, click next. You're going to set your auto response. Again, this is the double opt-in. This is where things can go wrong too. But you can say something to the effect of, hey, gotta make sure you want this, type yes, something like that, right? So make it simple, tell them what to do. And then we're going to hook up the opt-in message. This opt-in message is a flow or a next message that you can send them after they've confirmed. So it's they comment, they get the auto response, they type something in again, and then we can send them, they automatically get this message. If I click send everyone to replies, and then we can do what we want from here. I would suggest do not add them to a sequence from here. Go ahead and optimize or edit this message and then take them through flows like you normally would. So then you would click save and activate. We aren't going to do that because I don't want to activate it for the post. That's it.